Hi friends, in this video we will solve this question. A question says that write a Java program, write write a Java program to find the area of circle. So basically we know that if we want to find the area of circle, then which data we need? So first data we need pi value, and we know that pi value is equal to 3.14, and we need radius, but we have not radius, but this radius value we will take from the user. So our first work to take radius from the user, then we will calculate area of a circle is equal to pi r square using this formula. So let's write the program. So you can see right here, class public class quotient 6, and we will write a main function public static void main. So in the previous video, we shared that how we can take input from the user. So we can take input from the user using a scanner class. So we will import the scanner class first. Import java.util.scanner, and we will create an object of the scanner class. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner. In the parameter we need to write system.in, which activates your keyboard. So we will print some line here. Dot print enter radius, and we will save int r is equal to new. Basically we will use a function which present in this object sc. So we will use sc dot next int, which helps takes input integer from the user, and your first work is completed. We have created an object of a scanner class, and we printed this enter radius. So basically remove this, and then we will calling the function sc.nextInt, which takes integer input from the user, and we will saving into this r. So now we will create area of circle int. Basically we will use double area of circle is equal to, we will give the pi value which is 3.14 into your radius r into r. Here you can see this is the formula to find area of circle if any radius. So we will print this value system.out.println area of circle is plus AOC. So we have written this code. So we will run this code right here, question6.java, and run this. So it giving some error because we have not added semicolon. So again we will run this code. Here they have can see enter radius. If we give the radius 5, then area of circle is 78.75. Again we will give some another radius. So if we will give 2, it's giving 2.56. So let's analyze how it's working. So if I give radius is equal to 2, then it join 3 into basically approx 3.14 into 2 into 2 is equal to 3.14 into 4. Here you can see 12 point something. So here you can see 12.56. So this is your area of circle. So thank you.